So that's what's been happening lately. Mommy got crazy with all those short videos, so she put me in different not so convenient positions to film me. Hey, take your hands off me. I'm gonna bite you. Have you eaten my grass or something? You're too energetic. Oh my god, how many takes are you gonna film? Thank God I'm talented. Okay, that's it. Take a look at what it was all about. And one more. By the way, the last one was my original idea. Okay, it's time the store rested. Yeah, give me small massages and I'm gonna see some dreams. About peacocks, apparently. Hello, miss. How are you doing? What are you saying? There's another one around and you're hiding from him. But why? Oh my god, what a sight! You're so big, colorful and yummy. Then I wanna play with you, but I won't, because you may lay me over with those huge eaters. You're just a beauty. And here's a white one. Hey, mister, will you show us your beautiful tail? Okay, I got it. And who are you? Hello, colored friend. Isn't that paranja bothering you? I believe you can see through it. What an unusual creature. You're funny. Okay, that's it. After that kind of dreams, I decided not to eat so much grass next time. I'll better be playing with Dad's t-shirt. It's my favorite toy, by the way. What are you looking at? It's my favorite toy. Is it a problem for you? Okay, I'm gonna play with it. Okay? T-shirt, I love you so much. You're so nice. Mommy decided to play hide and seek with me. Mom, you're so funny. You think I don't see you? I'm a cat. So it's a risky game, cause I can jump and catch you. Gotcha! Okay guys, see you soon, cause I have delicious cheese to steal.